How's it going out there? Welcome back to Learning to DIY. I'm going to do something. I found this tung oil, or, well, actually it's not real tung oil, it's a tung oil finish. I did learn from YouTube that there's a big difference between tung oil and a tung oil finish. I hope that's in the frame right. Anyway, I'm going to do an experiment. I'd like to do this whole thing. This is something that I'm kind of creating. I'm going to cover it with cork and then put it on the stovetop. So I actually might not do that to this, but anyway, this is a Dollar Tree item. I thought it'd be fun. You know, everything you buy from there is just a little bit warped. Okay, not everything, but you have to be careful, and I was not. But I still want to try this tung oil finish on this like seahorse, and hopefully it'll be looking good. I've never used this stuff before. Somebody else has. I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out, but we're going to try it out. I'm sure that you've seen people do this before, unless you're like really a learner and learning with me, or you've done it before, but never really done tung oil. I'm going to go with the grain because it's top to bottom, and we'll just see if that leaves a nice finish, see if it looks better than a plain seahorse, because nobody likes a plain seahorse. I mean, unless it's a seahorse on the side of a plane, I guess. Well, I like that it makes the words stand out a little bit better. That's kind of nice, and it's not. It says it's low gloss. So we'll see about that. But I've never done this before. Never oiled a seahorse. I don't think you're supposed to do that. It might be illegal. Don't try that at home. Anyway. Well, I did also, when I got it, I was worried that these might not come out, these words in the little star might not come out, because I did sand it down a little bit more. It wasn't a perfect smooth finish, so I did get my 400 grit sandpaper out, and I should have sanded it by hand, but I don't know, somehow I'm always reaching for that Ryobi random orbital sander. Well, that's better. It was pretty much the same color as this. It's got a nice kind of finish. I don't know how many layers of this stuff you put on. Everything I looked at said don't use tung oil finish, use tung oil. But here I am using the tung oil finish because it's free. I already have it, so got to use it on something. And since I've never done it before, it just seemed like a good idea. That's what, but I'm professional, so, you know, it'll always turn out great. Just kidding. Alright. Well, I don't know this side. And the other thing I don't know, which I learned with stains, I want to stay away from stains from now on. It's kind of a crutch. Unless you got really cheap pine like this stuff, I probably won't stain it. But I'd like to stay away from stains and stick to oils if possible. And with stains, you put like a pre-stain, like it helps the oils and the stain penetrate. And I don't know if you should use a pre-stain finish, pre-stain on you know, tongue oil or boiled linseed oil or any of that. So, I don't know. You can tell a slight difference on that side. A lot more on that side. Heh. Anyway, this is a project. It came with this. It was tied. So, we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to do anything more to it or not. Suggestions are welcome. We got it. Is it all in the picture? Anyway, thanks for learning with me.